Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namitha. In this video, we are going to construct the further geometrical designs which are given in page number 202 and 203. So first we are going to construct the shadings. So construct this, choose measurements of your choice. Note that the larger four-sided figure is a square and so are the smaller ones, right? So this is a square and even all these are small squares that you need to keep in mind and draw this. So to draw the shadings, first let us draw a square of 4 by 4. Now why I am taking 4 by 4? Because then it is divided into 16 squares. So that is better if we take 4 by 4 or 8 by 8 square, so that it is easily divided into equal squares. Right, so first we draw the base line, which is 4 centimeter. Keep the center, mark 90° on both the sides. You all know how to draw a square, so first we do that. Right, now with the help of a compass and a scale, measure 4 centimeter, or you can even check this one, and cut 2 arcs with both the vertices so that you get a perfect square. You can erase the extra part. Now we need to divide it into 16 parts. So what we do, either we take 1 centimeter, or first we divide it into 4 parts. So 2 centimeter here and 2 centimeter on all the 4 sides. Because this part, this square is not shaded, right? So if we draw it, divide it into 4 squares first, it would be easier for us to understand, right? And then add 1 centimeter we cut take exact 1 centimeter with the help of the compass. Cut small arcs everywhere so that it's easy. You can make 16 parts and then divide it into where it is left. So I draw it here so that you get a baseline and you get exact equal squares. Now you can just join these points. right? So we first draw the smaller squares and then we shade it. Now to shade, what we do, we first draw diagonals. Like here, first draw a diagonal with the small square. Then with these two squares also draw a diagonal. Then with the three squares also draw a diagonal. Right. Then the diagonal of the main big square or the four squares which are in the center. Then these smaller squares, this one, the upper one, because the lower one is not shaded. So then you can shade this with the help of pencil, or you can use a scale to get a perfect shadings. So this is how you can shade and get the design of shadings. Now we'll draw a square with a hole. Observe that the circular hole is the same as the center of the square, right? So we need the center, that is important. Think where the center of the circle should be. So hint is also given. So first we will draw a square with a hole. So for drawing a square with a hole, first we draw a square. Let us take, you can take any side length for the square. We take it as 4 centimeter. Then we use the protractor to get the 90-degree angle. Now what we can do, we can use the compass to get this exact measurement. First we draw lines. Whenever measurement is not given, you can always use this trick to measure the side which you have already drawn, so that you get a perfect square, whatever is the measurement. If little bit point here and there, then also the square will be a perfect square. Right? So you can just draw this, remove the extra lines. Now what is given, we want to draw a hole in this, but we need first the center. So to get the center, we join the diagonals. Now join it very lightly with a very light pencil, because we don't need the diagonals, we just need the center point, right? Once you got the center, you can just choose any radius which is less than the length of the circle, the square, and just keeping this as a center, draw a circle inside it. So you got a square with a hole. So we have learned to construct the shadings and a square with a hole in this particular video. In the next video, we will cover up this square with more holes and also square with curves. So thank you. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it. Thank you once again.